Setting up power saving mode on your Samsung phone might seem a bit daunting, but it's really quite straightforward once you know how. Let's dive right into the step-by-step guide to help you out. First, open up your phone settings. Next, scroll down a bit to find the battery option. Tap on battery to open the battery settings. Then, tap on power saving to access the power saving settings. From here, you have the option to toggle power saving on and off depending on your preference. If you scroll down further, you will discover additional options available. To tweak these options, you will need to ensure that power saving mode is turned off at the top. After turning off power saving mode, you can customize these settings to your liking. If you're looking to preserve your battery life, then enable all these settings for maximum efficiency. After that, tap the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Then, choose Adaptive Power Saving from the menu. Here, you can toggle Adaptive Power Saving on or off. This feature automatically adjusts power saving based on your usage patterns. So there you have it. That's how you set up and configure power saving mode on your Samsung phone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for tuning in!